To activate the live TV channel on your application or website, you have to go to this website named Castr. Castr All-in-One Stream is a great tool for streaming live videos to any platform and website. Let's start setting up an all-in-one stream. In the dashboard, click Create New, then choose All-in-One Stream. Enter a name for the stream, then pick a hosting region. Remember to select the closest one to your location to get the best quality. Now you can add your video source. The 3 ways to add a video source are publish, pull, and webcam. You can use the webcam to stream both video and audio directly from your device. If you are using streaming software like Abmob or Vimx, use the publish mode. If you are pulling the stream from another live source, use the pull mode. After you've done adding the stream source, Castr will generate the iframe widget and embed URL for the stream's player. You can choose to play back with both video and audio, or just audio using Castr's HTML5 player. Castr also provides holes URL for streaming using the M3U8 format. Next, in the dashboard tab, you can add more platforms to stream to multiple platforms at the same time. The Analytics tab provides key insight for the stream player's performance. The Live to VOD tab helps you convert stream recordings into VOD files easily and quickly. The Paywall tab is Castr's monetization tool to help you earn money from live streaming. The Video settings is where you can customize the stream's live player. Lastly, the Security tab is useful to protect or set up whitelisting for the stream player. You can preview the stream and see the current bandwidth, viewers' bitrate, resolution, and codecs of the stream. To add this to your AppCreator24, you have to come to this webcam and copy the iframe widget code. Then go to your AppCreator24 and create a new section on the HTML and enter direct HTML code. Click on Next, then highlight the page content and paste the code you copy from the cast. Give the section a title. Click on the Advanced City and scroll down to the last button. Choose the icon for this section. You can choose wrong browser or upload from your gallery. So click on Save after done. Congratulations! You successfully add the TV inside your application. So, guys, now let's preview this. As you can see, this is currently offline. Once you go to your Castr and click on the Go Live button, then your application will be showing what you are recording on Castr. And if you notice, the app doesn't look like a TV yet. So guys, what to do is that you don't know about coding rights. On my next tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can make this look professional without you knowing about coding. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and comment what you think we should talk about later in the future. So thank you guys for having me. That's it, you've completed the setup for an all-in-one stream. Now stream on and let Castr take care of the rest.